This video is sponsored by EVBase.
Safety is at the core of all Teslas, and Cybertruck's no exception.
Crash test executing in 3, 2, 1.
Today's test is the first Cybertruck crash test, and it's a 35 miles an hour full frontal, which is one of the most severe crash tests in the industry. So we have to make sure that we absorb the energy correctly and manage that acceleration so we can better protect occupants.
Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli on FSD. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my supporters. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code, especially for the Tesla Model 3. You can get $2,500 off your price. They are trying to get rid of them. I wonder why. Maybe there's going to be an upgrade and they're going to look like the new Model Y. And thus, all the Teslas except for S and X are going to look like a Cyber, whatever that is, with the front light and all that. But I'm speculating. I love speculating. Speculating is great. So, guys, I pre-ordered the Tesla Cybertruck way back in 2019 when it was launched. And when it came out, my wife went into a tantrum and said, "You're not getting it, divorce." Divorce. No. So the compromise was this. I ordered the Model Y, the launch model in the United States. And then after retirement in a couple of years, we want to make a cross-country United States, Florida to Vancouver. I have a brother there, and then cross Canada. Going about 3 months. I said, and that's when we get a Cybertruck. But I made a great advantage because the Cybertruck is now the safest pickup truck in the world, and I'm totally not surprised. I just want to show you something. You know, Electric, the magazine Electric, I used to read it all the time. Now, less and less. Look at this stupid title. Look at this. Tesla Cybertruck is not a death machine that some claimed gets a 5-star rating. Really, you shitheads. They became such shitheads, this magazine. However, why I'm here, because they really lay down the rating. So the overall frontal star is 5 stars, a combined driver and front passenger frontal bears rating for a single into a single frontal rating. So it's 5 stars. In a collision, front collision, driver gets 5 stars and passenger gets 4 stars. Okay, overall star rating, side star rating is 5 stars, combined side barriers, side pole rating, and all that. And side barriers star also front and rear get 5 stars, and side pole, like if you hit a pole on the side, terrible. That is also 5 stars, and combined side barrier, a side pole, both front and rear, get a 5 star. So the Tesla Cybertruck, they also said that as for the rollover test, Tesla got 12.40% rollover risk in a single vehicle loss of control scenario, resulting in 4-star rating. Okay, Tesla Cybertruck, which is equipped with the ADAS, that the autopilot and adaptive cruise control and all that in FSD, as Tesla other, like all Tesla vehicle, and met the performance criteria for all active safety features, which are the best. So Tesla being the safest car, Tesla cars being the safest cars in the world, this is not a surprise and this is not news. We know that. Now, the only thing I can tell you at this point, is that there was no rating for passengers, and I'm going to go talk about it in detail. Now, one of the biggest criticism of the Tesla Cybertruck is what it will be if, God forbid, it hit a pedestrian. Okay, I don't want to hit by Tesla Cybertruck, and I don't want to be hit by Ford F-150. These are behemoth, big cars. But Tesla's Cybertruck have those sharp edges. I drove the I rented it for 1 day, and I got few test drives on it. It's an amazing machine. But today's video is only about the safety. So as you can see in the video that Tesla released, in the actual numbers, in the actual data that come from NHTSA, this is not me. Hopefully it will be tested by other institutions like the insurance agencies and maybe Euro NCAP, which is really one of my favorite institutions to test. They're really great. Be that as it may, it is the safest truck. It's very hard to flip it. And if you flip it, God forbid, you're going to come out better than any other car. However, what about pedestrian? Okay, today, I swear to God and Jesus in heaven, today, I went to Home Depot at the parking lot. I start driving out of the parking lot, start driving straight. My fault. I looked down on the phone for a second, and this stupid car came in front of me, made a left. I was this close to hit it. This guy's an idiot. If I was driving any other car, I was not on autopilot, I was not on full safe drive, I was just driving 20 miles an hour. Getting out of the parking lot and went like this for 2 seconds. The car blocked itself. I cursed and yelled at the guy, but who the hell cares? Why am I telling you this? Tesla autopilot, full self-drive, enhanced autopilot, cameras, it is so good, especially with pedestrians and animals. I live in a neighborhood, everybody has a dog or two. I don't, no thanks. And I live right by a school. And when I come home, it's dismissal. Tesla cars, as much as I say bad things about them when I do FSD driving, and it took them, when it comes to pedestrians, cyclists, animals, dogs, deer, I almost hit it. I didn't hit the deer because I was driving the Tesla car. It is great. So I'm not saying that the Cybertruck or any Tesla car will not hit a passenger. I mean, a passenger can jump from between two cars in the town, and the car will not have time to react. It almost happened to me once. What I'm saying, the best accident is the one that doesn't happen. And driving Teslas from 2018, it is such a safe car. It is unbelievably safe to prevent hitting anything or anybody. So, and I've seen it on my own. So, we'll see. Let's wait. Don't take my word. What do I know? We'll see what happens when they will test the autopilot. And I did test drive of the Cybertruck on version 13.2 in South Florida. It was freaking amazing. What a performance. Again, but that doesn't mean anything, because we want to know about pedestrian. Now, I can tell you that in Europe is a thing, the size and the impact and all that. I'm telling you, I don't think it's worse than if you, God forbid, hit by a Ford F-150. Now, they can say they're more round shape. It does have those sharp edges. No question about it. I know that. But let's see what I'm saying, that the likelihood that it will hit anybody or anything is so low because of the safety features. So to prevent hitting to begin with. But we'll see what happens. I'm not surprised about the results. What about you? Thank you guys for watching.